Alright guys, today we're down at the dam. We're with Kyle Matz. Yep. That dam is closed, it's safe. We're just coming over here to collect a bunch of lead today. Yeah, maybe some lures.
Oh, yeah, that's alright. Find anything cool?
No, just some lures.
I think I'm gonna go out for one more load.
Alright. Right now.
1500?
What's that?
You got 1500?
Yeah.
That's better than me.
Yeah.
I got like 12. Oh, yeah, 12.
So you think you just keep scrounging or what?
You want to go somewhere else or what?
Maybe.
Okay, where do you want to go? We can load all this stuff up and go somewhere else.
Well, I was saying, do you want to
just swim down this way?
Yeah, go a little closer. We gotta watch for that boat over there.
Okay.
He's got a boat over there.
Yeah, I'll just go in between these two here.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go.
Look at him.
Feed them the fish when you see them.
Oh, there's a lot down there.
Hold them in your hand.
Are you gonna, what are you doing here then?
Huh?
What are we doing? Just gonna swim over?
That way.
Are you gonna push the boat or what?
Yeah. You want to feed them if you see a fish? Just keep them in your hand. Hey.
Holy shit.
A gar.
What is it?
A gar.
Oh, what the fuck is a gar?
This is a gar.
Let me get out. Let me see what
Pretty neat, huh?
Oh, let me catch it.
Yeah, it's just, they stay still pretty much.
Oh, what weird looking fish.
Yeah.
Is it like an invasive thing or what?
Yeah, well, they're not. I don't think they're invasive. Yeah, cool teeth. Oh, settle down, buddy. That cool teeth here.
That's crazy.
It's like an alligator mouth.
Yeah, or almost like a swordfish.
Yeah. Guys, we just got done with our dive. It was a great dive out at the Menominee River Dam. Got some fishing line with a bunch of lead in it, some lures in there, some little different chunks of metal. Got this cool little piece of metal here. Some fishing lures, some golf balls. Got a logging PV, whatever that is, old horseshoe, little hand pump thing, whatever. Got someone's fishing rod there, and some other fishing rod ends here. And check this out, look at all this lead here. That right there is 180 pounds of lead. That's crazy.
Lots of lead.
Yeah. So I just got this home and I'm seeing what's in there. Pretty weird. There's some like purple gunk in there. Check this out. Purple. Look at that stuff. It's all purple. Kind of weird. Does anybody know what that is? Purple stuff in there? Weird.